Welcome to Ivan's Toys Review. Please click the bell, like and subscribe. Hi guys, as you know, it is winter time. Yay!
So you are enjoying winter?
Yeah.
Wow, good.
So we are doing a tumbling robot experiment. You can learn the basic of the machine tumbling robot experiment.
So this is a robot
Yeah.
and you have purchased it from Amazon.
Yeah.
And if anyone want to buy this, just check the description where I have given the link
Yeah.
to buy from Amazon. So let's unbox it and assemble it and let's see how it will work. And
Experiment.
okay.
Tumbling robot can walk no matter how many falls and stumbles.
So it can fall, it can wake up by itself.
Yeah.
And if you see, it is suitable if your kid is 8 years or more of age. And let's see what is other side of the box.
And see there is the sensors.
Okay. And what else?
And
the same thing.
if he will fall, he will do like this and stand up.
Okay. So let's open it, I think, and see what are the things inside of it.
Yeah, where is it? Yes, game, learn, die.
Okay.
And there is.
We have unboxed it, and these are the items we got from the box.
Here is the leg
Okay.
and stickers and the sensor.
Okay.
This
Okay.
manual.
Okay. Instruction manual over here.
Yeah, gear head and chest and back of it.
Okay.
And the gearbox.
Okay. So the body, you may say.
Yeah, and you have to buy two.
AA size, AAA size battery,
Yeah.
I think. Okay.
And you
Neat.
need 2 rupees coin.
Okay. 1 rupees coin actually, or 2 rupees coin,
Yeah.
whatever. So let's assemble it and let's see how it will work. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's assemble it first.
Yeah.
So connect it properly.
Yeah. Done.
So now we have to check how it's work actually.
Yeah, then we will put the stickers. What happened?
So your robot is walking
Yeah.
very slowly and turning towards you.
Yeah.
Oh,
I am
okay. So it try to climb up by himself. Yeah, yeah, it's trying. It's good fun.
and we will do the walk mode now. Okay?
What?
Walk mode.
Okay.
So we will pull this out, change the place of the leg. It was here and now here. See? Let's put this here and now the middle one.
So this
Dance
is
mode.
dance mode.
Yeah.
Oh, it fall down. Oh my god.
Very crazy.
It's not able to wake up by himself.
Yeah. Wow.
So it is not going to listen anything. It enjoy.
See.
It become
So now the tumbling robot. And now coconut. That's why it is called tumbling robot.
okay.
It cannot be opened. See, it's gear system.
Okay. Yeah.
And so that's all for today's video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, please click the like button and share with your friends. Bye.